should be quick from here. Yeah. Don't go down. Don't backward. Go. A little.
Court call State of Texas versus Tyreek Shannon. This is cause number 2024 CC 38786. I got to say the cause number over again. I skipped a digit. It's 2024 CC 738786. We're here today for a plea. We're conducting the hearing using the Zoom application, and we are live streaming the proceedings on YouTube so that it is open to the public. My name is Judge Jefferson Moore. I'm sitting by assignment in the Bexar County Jail Court, and specifically for County Court at Law number 4. And if I could have the attorneys make appearances, starting with the state of Texas, please.
Andrea Mitchell for the state.
Andrew Fraley for Mr. Shannon.
Sir, are you the same Tyreek Shannon charged by information with criminal trespass? Is that you, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to use a function of Zoom called share screen. I'm going to show you some documents. The first one is the defendant's consent to plea by video conference. And I'm using my cursor to circle around an electronic signature. Is this yours?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing this document, you're telling me two things. One, you understand that normally we do pleas live and in open court, but you're consenting to do this plea by video conference. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, Your Honor.
Secondly, your electronic signature here, as well as all of the electronic signatures in the plea packet in front of me today, you're telling me that those are valid as if they were personally signed. Did you understand that before you signed this?
Yes, Your Honor.
I approve the consent. I make it a part of the record. I'm scrolling down to another document, sir. It's called the Court's Admonishments. It's 2 pages. Are you familiar with this document?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you go over this with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
On page 2 is an electronic signature. I'm using my cursor to circle. Is this yours?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to get out of share screen. By signing the court's admonishments, you are telling me that you understand the court's admonishments and that you understand the rights that are contained within it. Is that true?
Yes, Your Honor.
And that you're going to give up those rights. Is that true?
Yes, Your Honor.
The rights you're going to give up is you have the right to a trial by jury. You have a right to confront the witnesses against you. You also have the right to remain silent, which includes the right not to incriminate yourself and not plead today. Did you understand that before you signed this?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing this, you're also telling me you understand the consequences of a plea and the sentencing range for the offense, which is anywhere up to a $2,000 fine and up to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand that before you sign this?
Yes, Your Honor.
I approve the waivers that are contained within the court's admonishments and make them a part of the record. State, can you recite the plea bargain for us, please?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs, 11 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied.
That is understanding the agreement, Your Honor.
All right. And then Mr. Shannon, is that your understanding as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you have a question? I think sometimes it's hard to see who's saying something while we're on YouTube. Some of them might have just accidentally broke in, but I just want to make sure. Did you have a question you need to ask me or your attorney?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Sir, I'm not bound by the plea bargain. I don't have to follow it. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
But if I do follow the plea bargain, then you lose your right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir. Yes.
That's true. That's true unless I grant you permission to appeal or unless certain motions are filed and ruled upon. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, any such rulings in this case?
No, Your Honor.
If I do not follow the plea bargain, I'll allow you to withdraw the plea. We'll proceed to trials if this hearing never occurred. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
You a citizen of the United States?
Yes, Your Honor.
If not, then a plea of guilty or no contest to the offense could have serious adverse effects on your immigration status. Counsel, do you believe that your client has a factual, rational understanding of the charge pending against him?
He does.
Do you believe he's been able to assist you in the defense?
Yes.
He's mentally competent to waive rights and enter a plea here today.
He is.
Sir, the offense that's listed on your information, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
Do you understand you can still be found guilty under a no contest plea?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Other than the plea bargain, did anyone promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Did anyone force you or coerce you to plead today?
No, sir. No, Your Honor.
After going over this case with your attorney, do you believe that pleading here today is in your best interest?
Yes, Your Honor.
I find that the plea is freely, intelligently, and voluntarily made, that you're mentally competent to enter into such a plea, and I find you guilty, sir. Counsel, is there any legal reason as to why your client cannot be sentenced today?
No, Your Honor.
Being no legal reason, in accordance with the agreement of the state, sir, I sentence you to 11 days in the Bexar County Jail. I will give you credit for time served. There's a $0 fine and court costs. Time and the money will run concurrent, and this is judgment satisfied. Sir, there's a plea bargain case. I followed the plea bargain, so you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You do not have the right to appeal. I'm making a certification of this for the record, and will provide a copy of the certification to your attorney to provide to you. For the attorneys, is there anything else from either side?
Nothing
Nothing
further
further.
from the state.
Nothing further from the defense. Thank you.
The matter is now concluded. Best wishes to you, sir. I'm turning off YouTube Live.